Hey everyone, this is Jeremy again, coming back to you guys with another live update. I actually wasn't going to do a video this week because we've been starting to do Reddit discussions, which has been working out really great for us, but have so many things to share. So easiest way is for me to just do it through video. Been getting really good feedback from the community lately on CyCOM, but have a very exciting announcement for CyCOM, Cybernet Combat. It is now out on Steam for multiplayer. Multiplayer is released. We've also launched a Discord tester community server. You can hop on the Discord here, discord.gg/capital C lowercase g, capital F lowercase T A, capital N and lowercase, that's a B at the end. And then you can hop on there to get test keys. We need your feedback, and with your help, we'll be able to improve the game. I wanted to share with you guys all the different types of feedback that we've gotten from our tester community so far. Let's start with the YouTube videos. So I want to do a shout out to ChrisReality. Check out his YouTube channel. He did an early review for us for CyCOM, and from his review and from his video, we learned a lot about kind of how our interaction design right now, kind of flaws in the interaction design for beginners and people going into the game. So you know how when you have I'll grab a controller here. When you have a controller, a lot of our weapons and Lemon Buster and cards you activate by tap trigger. But there's a couple weapons that require you to tap and hold and then release, throw or something like that, or hold and then aim somewhere. And most of the testers that we've seen play just don't really understand or aren't able to discover or figure that out. So we're going to simplify the design. It's the next high priority for the next couple of weeks. We're going to come out with a new interaction design that's just tap, and then it'll be a lot easier for you to figure out how to use weapons like the bomb, where you have to throw it, or the boomerang, or the howitzer, or the summons that you summon onto your own battlefield. So the biggest issue with that is not really the fact that we're making you guys hold the trigger, but it's the fact that once you pull the trigger and release it, the card goes away, so you don't have a chance to make mistakes. So this will hopefully, once you tap, it'll activate something and it'll kind of stay there for you to figure out, okay, what should I do next with it? And then when you tap again, the next thing will happen. So thanks to a lot of the feedback that and observing players play the game and from Chris's video. Here, this next one I want to show you guys is from PhilanthroPwn. Check out his YouTube video, super cool, well done video here on YouTube, PhilanthroPwn. And from there, we got some really good feedback about kind of the gameplay and the balancing. So observing how he played, he mainly just uses Lemon Buster most of the time, and we really are trying to encourage card-based, card-use gameplay. We think using cards will be more strategic, will be more fun. So right now the game isn't really, as we've observed from watching our testers and reviewers, isn't really designed to encourage that kind of gameplay. So we're going to go ahead and kind of go back to the drawing board and brainstorm some ideas on how we can encourage a more kind of fluid way to bring in the cards and not have it distract. PhilanthroPwn Steven said something to the effect of, it's very chaotic, I don't really have control. And I agree with that. I think the balance with the Lemon Buster is off. You shouldn't really be able to just rely on that, and there should be some more value that the cards provide. And it's a little disruptive, he said, having the cards come in and fade out. So we got some other ideas from our tester community on Discord. And again, our Discord is over here, and you'll be able to see all the discussions. We'll be able to get your feedback, and you'll be able to get test keys on Discord. Maybe I forgot to mention that. That's super important. You'll be able to get test keys on our Discord. So one of our Discord testers by the name of @BlazungIngo give us really long, really good piece of feedback. But I think ultimately it was that he didn't think that we needed 2 Lemon Busters, and that there may be some way for us to redesign the card loading mechanic. Maybe have one hand be for cards and one hand be for shooting, something like that. So we're going to think of some ideas based on all that really good feedback. And the last video I want to show off is from VoodooDE, another CyCOM review that just came out. This one is actually using an older build. We have our latest build supports multiplayer. When you go in, the screen is kind of in a black environment, and we've released our latest music, our actual official launch music from HyperPotions, and you should definitely check out their YouTube page as well, HyperPotions. And then so that's kind of the biggest pieces of feedback that we're working on right now. Oh, and then the other thing is from, I think, at Vice from our Discord, told us that he had trouble using the menu, and the menu needed some immediate feedback. So definitely going to be working on kind of the interaction and making it easier for people to start the game, play the game. What's the blueprint? That is a code diagram for another game that we were working on, Crystal Rain. So you can check out Crystal Rain on Steam. It's out now, and we're doing another update in December. So going back to CyComm, so working on over the next couple of weeks, just fixing the interaction design, fixing the hold and tap, so people can actually, casuals and beginners can go in and play the game, and brainstorming and designing a way to make the cards really a design where we can encourage card gameplay and card strategy gameplay. Alex Peak, a VR teacher here in the Bay Area that came to our tester meetup this weekend, said that right now, because the Lemon Busters are so big and fancy and you can do so much with them and you can pretty much spam them, he recommended having a cooldown there too, that it's not really encouraging card-based gameplay, which is what we want to do. So working on that, that's the most important thing. So the last thing I wanted to talk about here in our update is we're a couple of guys in a dev house, startup house in Silicon Valley. We're basically trying to do our best to just pay for the roof above our heads. So any support, if you guys are in a financially capable state, to hop on our Patreon. We're patreon.com/virtualworldarcade. $5 is a meal for a hungry dev, so really appreciate it. But above all, what we really want and really need from everybody and all your help is to hop on our Discord. We'll give you guys test keys to play the game, and we need your feedback. We need your feedback to and more of your feedback and your great feedback to improve the game, and let's make this an awesome game. Our vision and our dream is to make CyComm Cybernet Combat an esport that people will be happy and enjoy playing every day and for decades, just like how card games have been for us when we were kids. So, but this is kind of the next level, virtual world, immersive type of card game. So. Thank you everybody for all your support and all your help in helping us reach that dream and that goal. And thank you to all of our YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and reviewers for playing our game and providing us with such great feedback, and our testers, of course, on our Discord community. So thank you everybody. I'll see you next time. Thanks.